Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda 3 SP25 hatch, stock reference number 5477. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand side skirt. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right-hand guard, no damage. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.